Dear students, here we need to find the value of k, but complete question you read, then it is easy. What the next continued statement states? We need to find the value of k in the following equations, two equations together I have taken, so that they have equal roots. This is very important. They have equal roots, means nature they have given. So what is the nature of the roots? The roots are equal. So when they are equal, already we know that when the roots are equal, that means the discriminant value equal to 0. Then what is the discriminant? That is what? B square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. So the roots are equal means discriminant value equal to 0. That's all. So in the previous exercise what we did, we calculated discriminant value and we have written what type of the nature of the roots. Here nature of the roots they have given. So they have equal roots. Equal roots means the discriminant value equal to 0. Once again substitute. B means k. K square minus 4 into A means 2 into C means 3. That is equal to 0. So that is k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus root 24. So this is what the k value. Next, come to the second one. So here, just if you observe, you are not going to get a quadratic equation. First you multiply, then you will get a quadratic equation. Kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now see, power 2 is there, now it's a quadratic equation. Once again, equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this is, they have given, don't forget, this is given. Here also, this is given. Indirectly they have given. B square means b coefficient of x. B means that is 2k square minus 4 into a k c 6. That is equal to 0. Minus the square once again plus 2 square 4 k square minus 4 6 the 24 k equal to 0. Here both the terms contain k and as well as 4 as common factors take out. So then 4k you can take outside. So then here remain k minus 4 divided 6 times is equal to 0. So that is 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. Here k value becomes 0. Here k value equal to 6. See, this is what. So k value is 6. Here this one if you want you can simplify further if you want, otherwise you can keep as it, because sometimes in multiple choice question they suppose you can't get this as answer. So that time what they are going to do, they will simplify this. So that is 24. That is 2 12s and 2 6s and 2 3s. So one group of 2 you are going to get. So 1 2 will come outside the square root. So that is what 2, and this 2 and 3 remains as singles. So that you keep inside the root symbol, that is 2 root 6. So this is what. So while solving the problem up to here, if you solve also it's more than enough. But in multiple choice question, this type of question will come means you may expect this. If this answer is not there, they will give this one. So at that time you don't go with any conclusions. So just this is the simplest form of this one. Okay, you can understand. So that's it. Thank you.